$400. If this is your budget for building your next gaming PC, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to recommend you the best components that you should consider for your next PC build. Let's get started. Now for the processor, we have chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one cost around $127, and as you can see, this has more than 8,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon, and for only $127, you are getting 3.9 GHz clock speed, which will turbo boost up to 4.4, which is more than enough for your day-to-day general workload, and that 4.4 GHz boost clock speed will help you in gaming. As you all know, single core performance matters a lot while gaming, and this processor also comes with 6 core and 12 threads, which will help you in productive level workloads like Premiere Pro. And the most important thing about this processor is it comes with a very powerfully integrated graphics called AMD Radeon Vega 7, and this integrated Radeon Vega 7 graphics will allow you to play games like GTA 5, Valorant, Fortnight very easily and smoothly at 1080p resolution. Then for the motherboard, we are choosing the Gigabyte B550M DS3H. This one cost around $100, and as you can see, it has more than 27,000 positive reviews in Amazon, and this motherboard is a bang for your buck. You will get 4 RAM slot where you will be able to use dual channel memory setup. And for those of you who don't know what is dual channel memory configuration helps a lot those APU based build for extracting the best performance out of it. You will also get PCIe Gen 3 SSD support where you will be able to use super fast NVMe SSD, and for only $100, a latest B550M motherboard, an excellent value for money. Then for the RAM, you are using the Silicon Power 16GB RAM. These are 2 stick, each of them are 8GB, so total 16GB, and those RAM, as you can see, have excellent heatsink, and those heatsink will prevent those RAMs from getting overheated, so your RAM will run cool even if you are using it for a long period of time, so your system will give you a stable performance. And for also $40, you are getting 2 stick of them, so each of them costing $20, so excellent value for money. Then for the SSD, you have chosen the Samsung 980 500GB SSD. This one cost around $50, and by the ratings you can see, there's more than 14,000 review at 4.8 stars, so those are incredible value for money SSD. And if I give you a technical specification, this PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD has more than 3000 to 3500 Mbps read speed, which is insane. Like your PC will boot faster, your games will load faster, your softwares will be load faster, and you will get an amazing, excellent, super fast performance out of your PC if you install this SSD. And for the power supply, you are choosing the Cooler Master 450W 80 plus white certified power supply. This one cost only $30, as our processor only have 65W TDP, so this basic 450W power supply is more than enough. And to give you an idea, these are 80 plus certified, so your all components will be safe under this power supply. Then to house all the components, we are using the Zeus Game Days RGB white casing. This one cost around $70, and for only $70, it's an excellent value for money case. As you can see, you will get 3 pre-installed ARGB fans. You can control the lights of these fans, and also you are getting a glass in the front, glass in the side, which looks awesome, but casing is completely up to you. It doesn't affect the performance, so buy whatever you want. And finally, all those components will cost you around $419. Thanks for watching.